Yeah, welcome back to the Big BR Show. That's 428 Chase on YouTube. Well, I previously in the past I did some Brian Regan, some animation by Brian Regan, and one of the ones I did was fishing on TV, watching fishing on TV. And so this video tonight um, is kind of an extension of that. But I cut that part of the video out because I already did it. But the rest of the video is Whale Noises, Flipper, and Gentle Ben. Again, it's comedian Brian Regan. It's audio only, but it's some pretty funny stuff. Let's get into it.
I saw this documentary recently on whales. This guy has dedicated his life to telling you what the whales are saying. Wow. I don't know how you'd argue with him when he turns in his report. And he just throws it down there. Well, here's what the whales are saying. Okay, thanks, Charlie. He's looking back. Here's what the whales are saying. Yeah, Charlie figured it out. They show how he does it. He's out on a ship, he's got a pencil, and he deciphers the whale noises as he hears them. You know, he'll hear like, he's like, oh, okay. Oh, he's lonely. No, you're lonely. I'd like to do that for like 2 weeks and then turn around and find out that the door's squeaking behind you. I watched a lot of Flipper growing up. Flipper, he was something. Always saving people. Every show he'd go save some more. I saved some people! For that, they would throw him a dead fish. Hey, thanks. Thanks for saving people. He was always doing that backwards dance, 3/4 out of the water. Man, that was cool. Imagine if you could do that. That'd impress some people at the public pool, you know? Just go, hey, how y'all doing? Just skip across the top of the pool without getting your bathing suit wet and hop up on the other side. Hey, what's happening? And just grab a little towel, wipe off your feet. Yeah, it's a little colder than I thought. Wow, who's that guy? I thought, to be fair, they should have also had a bad dolphin, you know? Zipper! Big scar across his head. Out moving safety buoys around. Deal with that, Flipper! Out chewing tobacco. Zipper's surly. He is uncaring. How about that show, Gentle Ben? Do you remember that show? About a big friendly bear. There's a good thing to teach kids. Hey, bears are friendly. Go up and let them give you a big hug. Put some honey on your face, let them lick it off. Bears love kids with honey on their heads. They love honey head kids. Hey, Gentle Ben, where's Bobby? Bobby. Ben's wearing Bobby's hat. I don't know where you're picking his teeth. I think he scampered off that way. He was scampering.